Welcome to another video from Lawyer Society. In this short video, we will be talking about two of the most common offences that we find under the SC/ST Act, that is the Prevention of Atrocities Act of 1989. When we say the most common offences, we are referring to Section 3R and 3S under the Prevention of Atrocities Act. If you read Section 3R, it says whoever not being a member of a scheduled caste or a scheduled tribe intentionally insults or intimidates with intent to humiliate a member of a SC or a ST in any place within public view shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 6 months but which may extend to 5 years and with fine. And if you read Section 3S, it provides that whoever not being a member of a scheduled caste or a scheduled tribe abuses any member of a SC or a ST by caste name in any place within public view shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 6 months but which may extend to 5 years and with fine. So fine is always going to be there, but the term of imprisonment may vary from 6 months to 5 years. Now let us come to the main concept of this video, which is the interpretation of 3R and 3S. Among the other essentials involved in 3R and 3S, like in 3R you have the intention. The person must be intentionally insulting or intimidating the other person, and such intention must be with regard to humiliating a member of SC or ST. But when you read 3R and 3S, you have the words in any place within public view. This has been used by the defense side in so many cases. In various cases, this has been effective too. Now, what do you mean by a place within public view? Is it a road or a park or somewhere outside our homes, somewhere outside a private place? Not necessarily, because when you read the Supreme Court's judgment in the case of Swaran Singh vs. State, reported in 2008, 8 SEC 435, which has been recently followed in the case of Hitesh Verma vs. State of Uttarakhand, reported in 2020, 10 SEC 710. It was observed that if the offence is committed outside the building, that is, for example, in a lawn outside a house, and the lawn can be seen by someone from the road or lane outside the boundary wall, the lawn would certainly be a place within public view. Also, even if the remark is made inside a building, but some members of the public are there, not merely relatives or friends, so that is an exception, then also it would be an offence since it is in the public view. We must therefore not confuse the expression place within public view with the expression public place. A place can be a private place but yet within the public view. So when we read this judgment, it is clear that even if the offence happens within a home, within an office space, or in some other private place, in case there are third parties present there to witness such an incident, the same will attract the offence of 3R or 3S as the case may be. But in case such a third person is a friend or a relative of the informant, then the offence is not attracted. This is because the third person must not be an interested witness. So these two offences require a third person who is an independent witness to be present there, and such an incident can happen within a home, within an office, or in the road, anywhere, but it has to be witnessed by such third persons. What if such third persons are only hearing such words being thrown? They are not witnessing it as such, they are not seeing it with their eyes. Will the offence under 3R or 3S still be attracted? For this, you can refer to the case of Sri Mahesh Sakaram Patol was the state of Maharashtra from the Bombay High Court. This is from the year 2009, where it was said that even if the offence happens within a private place, if it is audible to the persons outside, even then the offence under SC/ST Act is attracted. Now the next interesting aspect of these two offences is that what if the offence happens in a public place but there are no third persons? It is happening in a public place but there are no third persons. Will the offence under 3R or 3S still be attracted? For this, you can refer to the case of Karan Singh vs. State of Madhya Pradesh. This is reported in 1992 Criminal Law Journal 3054. In this case, the Madhya Pradesh High Court said that although this happened in a public place, at the time of the offence there was no other person other than the victim. This was one of the factors which led the court to quash the offence under the SC/ST Act. There are obviously so many other cases where this has been discussed much more in detail, but this is only a short video to give you an idea of how this works. So to conclude, in any place within public view might be a place within four walls. It can be a private space, but there has to be some third person who is not an interested witness, and the offence may be taking place outside, but if there is no third persons, then the offence is not attracted. And the incident may be taking place outside, but even if the place is a public place, when there is no third person there to witness it, then too the offence is not attracted under the SC/ST Act. Also, if the offence occurs within a private space but it is audible to those outside, then also the offence is said to be committed. I hope you found this video informative. Do share this video with your legal groups, with your legal community. Do join our WhatsApp group. The link is in the description box. We often have good discussions on various issues and various cases in our WhatsApp groups. Also follow Lawyers Society on Instagram and LinkedIn. If you want to listen to this on an audio form, then you can follow the Lawyers Society Legal Podcast, which is available on Spotify. If you want to read more interesting legal articles with more citations and with more detail, which cannot be found in these videos, because how much ever you do, when you read the articles, it will be much better for you. So if you want to read magazines like that, you can subscribe to the Lawyers Society Digital Law Magazine. I will leave the details below in the comment section. Thank you for listening. Until next time.